So, you know, it's been popping on social media between Marlon Samuels and Yanique the Curvy Diva. I wasn't actually going to do this video, but Marlon put out a cease and desist. So, me say it's getting serious and I had to touch this topic. So, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and opinions on this. And this whole thing started off of an Instagram post. Miss Curvy Diva posted a pic and this was what she had to say. The worst thing you can do to a man is bruise his ego. He's going to act out, throw shade, and try his hardest to hurt you back. I know I'm heartless and I try to do better, but intelligence is at the top of the list of my characteristics I look for in a man, and clearly that wasn't your strong point. I get that you're venting, but stop stressing me. Stay away from my workplace, Magnum Kings and Queens. Don't beg them to book you. I'm taking out a restraining order. Enough is enough. I am single. Leave me alone. In Jesus' name, hashtag take time to heal yourself. You are all over the place. You have nothing to prove to the public. Relax. Frowny face emoji. So Yanique posted that she was throwing shade. People started to speculate who she was talking about. Then Marlon Samuels went on his page and posted this. And it says, when the wicked, even mine enemies and my foes, came up on me to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fall. I wish to thank everyone who has sent a kind message, who has taken the time out to call me to let me know that their support is real and ever present. For those who know Icon and know that the half has never yet been told, continue to trust that in due time the fullness shall be revealed. Everything now is in the hands of my lawyers and most importantly in the hands of the Lord. One love, Marlon. And then he said, the caption was, Icon, lies for likes. Time to share my side of the story. Are you ready? So he went on multiple lives and this is what he had to say.
Right. So in the link make ya. What I mean, I'm in uniform. Watch them friends then, no? They are then closer, all the closer. What friends, what good friends we have. But what good friends we have. What them friendship they close, All them friendship they closer. Anyway, the link them at 10 o'clock in the morning. I go to KC. I'm going to this. The link they...
So I guess Curvy Diva never did want to claim him and said they were just friends. The man never did nothing. They weren't in a relationship or anything. And I get that. I guess that made him mad, made him angry. And a bag of things happened after that. Even Aishana got flipped in the mix, okay? And they were saying that Marlon Samuels was trying to make Yanique and Aishana get into a confrontation, a lyrical battle or something, but it never worked. And this is what Yanique had to say. And she said, me style you and me wicked cause me no want you. I will never beef with Aishana or any dancehall fraternity members over you. I am tired of the threats and throw words. No matter how much your friend them call me, I'm not interested. You take my phone and threaten to release my personal pics. You call me producer begging them to bring you to Magnum show. You come a Magnum and bad up the security. Me try release a song thinking you would stop. You make your goons them call down my phone. Me try to be nice and calm, but me realize you not stop. I've been a victim of domestic violence for years and now me single and stress free. You tell me that you have the handle and I have the blade. Well, cut me. Cause me not take no more of your threats and no threats and on me alone a public figure. Me not be silent and anything go happen to me, me I take it to the public. Me I chat it in my music and I took it to the police, cybercrime department, I'm a liar. Hashtag enough is enough. Hashtag harassment. Hashtag stalker. Hashtag women's rights. Hashtag I have a choice. And quite frankly, I don't believe that Yanique have the capacity to hang Aishana in a lyrical warfare. So that one day need to stay right at the side. Aishana already proved herself as far as that is concerned. She well done out DI. Okay. And Diva, as far as I know, don't write her own songs or her own lyrics. So I don't know how that would have worked. So them say to take out Aishana out of the equation. And this morning, me wake up and me see sports star Marlon Samuels issued statement regarding social media controversy. It has been brought to my attention that there are allegations on social media that a female television personality who goes by the name of Monkier Yanique Curvy Diva has made several derogatory posts on social media about me. I am therefore informing the public that I refute the allegation made by Miss Yanique Barrett, and I intend to take the necessary steps to legally defend my reputation in due court. In my capacity as sports ambassador, my job is to continue serving the people of Jamaica, the West Indies, and by extension, the cricketing world. And in addition, the blind community, way of Marlon Samuels Foundation for the Blind. In the circumstances, I'm therefore requesting that the mentioned media personality and those associated directly or indirectly to her immediately cease and desist from embroiling my name in any controversy expressed or implied surrounding this person. Failure to observe this request will result in legal actions for injunction against you to restrain you from further slander and defamation of my name and reputation. So basically, they say he wants the people them to cease and desist calling up in name and all these things. Quite frankly, me feel like it's a big hot mess. Okay? Big hot mess, and they need to grow the hell up. First of all, if Marlon never talk about how time for my side, nobody would have known say him Yanique did they talk. So that right there is just foolishness to me. If I never want nobody call up on him, I should just leave it from Jump Street. And then one thing I hate when woman and man left and them go on social media or them talk about each other. The man always talk about how the girl can't cook and she can't fuck and her pum pum big and all this stuff. Or the man hood liquor and him dumb and he not intelligent and all these things. When they there with him, they have sex with him or her, vice versa. You never know all of that. Why you talk about it now? Like, it's completely rubbish to me. And quite frankly, them are two public figure. It's not cute. It's not nice. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to your friends. Tell me what you guys think about this whole drama. Don't forget, deuces.